Windsor Castle is the oldest and largest inhabited castle in the entire world. It originally began being built in 1070 by William the Conqueror, and it has been lived in by 40 monarchs, from Henry I all the way to the current monarch, Charles III. But it was the 39th inhabitant, Queen Elizabeth II, that saw a fire that destroyed 1/5 of the castle. On November 20th, 1992, a fire broke out in Queen Victoria's private chapel, sometime around 11:30 a.m., from a faulty spotlight that set a curtain ablaze that was next to the altar. The fire spread so quickly that within minutes it had already gone through St. George's Hall, which was next door, Brunswick Tower, and on to private apartments on the east wing of the castle. Staff and building contractors that were on site working on another room in the castle rushed to the fire and began using fire extinguishers, while others frantically removed paintings from the chapel. Embers started to rain down upon them, and they were forced to evacuate. The castle's fire brigade arrived at 11:41 a.m., while Prince Andrew and other castle staff lined up in a chain, passing artwork, furniture, and antiques, including a 150-foot-long table and a 120-foot-long carpet from the Waterloo chamber from the danger of the fire. Within 3 hours, between 225 and 250 firefighters from 7 different counties came to fight the flames. At the peak of the operation, they were using 36 pumps, discharging 1.5 million gallons of water. The fire was officially put out at 2:30 a.m. on November 21st and had burned for 15 hours. It had destroyed 115 rooms, including 9 staterooms, countless tapestries, a large neo-Gothic rosewood sideboard, and amazingly, only 1 piece of large art. A massive restoration project began to both restore what was lost as well as incorporate some new designs in the area. The project cost almost £37 million, which would equate to around £60 million today. The work was completed exactly 5 years to the day of the outbreak of the fire. It was also the 50th wedding anniversary of Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Phillip.